Hello, everyone. My name is Mubashir Kapadia. I am an assistant professor in the computer science department at Rutgers University, where I direct the Intelligent Visual Interfaces Lab, which conducts research at the intersection of computer graphics, human computer interaction, and artificial intelligence. This fall, I will be teaching computer graphics, which is a cross listed course open to both undergraduate and graduate students, with the course numbers 423 and 528, respectively. So, what is this class going to be about? So, specifically, this class will focus on the algorithms and associated computational modeling techniques to model, simulate, and animate humanoid movement. So, what does that undertake? So, with that goal in mind, we will sort of look at the broad spectrum of algorithms, theoretical underpinnings, and associated methodologies that will allow you to programmatically uh, create, synthesize, and visualize animated virtual humans. Um, and with that mission in mind, we will sort of look at sort of the broad spectrum of human movement modeling, sort of ranging from the underlying biomechanics of how we as bipeds move towards synthesizing complex multi-actor behavior. So, with that goal in mind, we will sort of touch upon techniques in computer animation, artificial intelligence, where one of our goals is not simply to create digital doubles, but to be able to create fully autonomous and capable virtual humans that can act and interact in complex virtual environments in meaningful ways. And finally, we will look at how we can make these virtual human characters interactive, where they can act and interact in response to uh, uh, commands and interaction modalities that are given by real users. So, one obvious application of this would be games, where non player characters can sort of exhibit meaningful interactions in response to player behavior. It is equally important to emphasize what this class is not going to be about. So this class will not discuss techniques associated with rendering, image processing, computational geometry, art, computational creativity, and other related aspects. Um, there are course offerings at Rutgers, and specifically in the computer science department, that do touch upon these topics. And I encourage you all to look at these complementary course offerings to get a sort of more wholesome perspective on the topics related to computer graphics and computer vision. So, the Intelligent Vision Interfaces Lab, which I direct, conducts research in a variety of areas, including humanoid crowd modeling, understanding how real human crowds behave, and how crowds can be managed in a variety of situations, for example, extreme events. We also investigate and conduct research in real time motion planning, humanoid character animation, which this class will be about, as well as methods and technologies for interactive digital storytelling. So, for those of you all who may have research inclinations, this class will have the opportunity for you all to conduct a final class project where you all will build upon the topics and foundations that are discussed in this class to to conceive, develop, and prototype a research project of your own choosing. So it is something that y'all can and should begin thinking about early on in class. So logistically, this class will be a heavily programming oriented course. We will specifically be using the Unity game engine as the basic infrastructure on top of which we will conduct our various assignments. So this class will require you all to program and program heavily in C Sharp. This class will not have any written examinations. We will be, or y'all will be expected to work with and on top of a relatively large code bases, which will be provided to y'all at the beginning of each assignment. The first part of this class will be assignment based, where y'all will systematically go through a series of 6 assignments in Unity Game Engine. And this class will culminate in a final research project, which y'all will conduct in groups, where y'all will build on top of the lessons that y'all have learned, both in the class as well as in the programming assignments, to develop something that is entirely novel. So hopefully that overview was sufficient and gave you all the necessary information that you'll need. And look forward to seeing you all in class. Thank you.